I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how to sharpen colored pencils. I like to use the Faber Castell Polychromo. I do use other brands, but the lead on a colored pencil is very soft. It has lots of wax in it, and it's very soft. It's very smooth and creamy. And for that reason, we really have to be careful when we sharpen them. I have a Faber Castell sharpener. It's really nice. It does a good job. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be using a regular pencil sharpener, just so that you can see how they're sharpened. It's a little hard for me to show you when they're inside here. I'll show you a little bit about this sharpener, though. It's really nice. It has 3 different sizes that you can use. The only thing is it is kind of hard to get open, to empty the shavings. I usually have to use a knife or something to pry it open. I just, for some reason, cannot get it open. It's just really difficult, so I use this and sort of pry it open, sort of like a box cutter, and pry it open. And as you can see, I have been using it. But that's the only drawback from this particular sharpener. But it is a really good sharpener. So I'm going to take this off just to show you. And when we sharpen a colored pencil, we're going to put it in and just do half. Pull it out, half. So each time you put it in, you'll turn it and you'll pull it out and then turn it a little bit again and half. So half, pull it out, half, pull it out. If you keep going like that, it's real easy to bend the lead and then it breaks on you. So we'll go 1, half, pull it out, half, pull it out, half, pull it out, half, and pull it out. And you see how nice that's sharpening it? And it's not breaking the lid. So just put it in, half, pull it out, half, pull it out. Then I'm going to start at that same point where I pulled it out and half and pull it out. You can keep going like that and it will get it a little bit sharper for you. Just keep going like that. Anyway, that's how to correctly sharpen a colored pencil.